The reverse thread screw is used to secure the chuck to your drill. It has a reverse thread, so it won't come undone while you're drilling. The screw can eventually vibrate out. The head can break off, or the head can be stripped out while removing the screw. Replacing the reverse thread screw is a repair that you can do yourself, and I'm going to show you how. I'll begin by removing the drill chuck from the drill. The chuck is secured with the reverse thread screw. I'll remove it first. Now install the new screw. I place the screw into the chuck and I'll tighten it up. Remember, it is a reverse thread. And that's how easy it is to install a new reverse thread screw in your drill.